that?
I'm gonna open up this.
What is it, Shawn?
A land and water 4x4. And this can go on water and land.
We need AA 3 batteries for this truck. So the size of the battery you need is what, Shawn? What is the size?
I think it would be
Size D.
I hope it got turned on. Wait, is it off?
You gotta turn this on. Yeah, the truck. Turn it on.
Wait, how do you...
Does it?
Click the button.
How do I turn this on?
Just click the on button.
I did. What is going on?
It probably has to get.
This probably it's dead. The battery.
No, the battery can't be dead. I was testing it.
You did?
Yeah. Maybe it's not put it in the right way.
Okay, that's on. What?
You ready or what?
I am. Go ahead, bud. That's all how it does? It's just turning forward. Yee-hee! Woo! Uh-oh. Oh, it's digging. Come back. Come on, go ahead. No, Shawn, leave it there.
What's the matter?
It won't work? Oh, probably. Did you shut it off? Did you? You didn't. Okay. Go ahead. Woo! Whoa, look at that. Whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's running on the ice. Look at that. Isn't it awesome? You want to go forward? Ah. No. It's not safe. I told you. See? 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 See, it's cracking. It was going to crack.
Can I crack it?
If you crack it, then the truck will get stuck in there. It's not good. You know what I mean? See, you can wait after maybe in a few days, maybe, and then we might probably go ice skating here, which is I'm not going to. I don't know how to ice skate. Ooh. Oh my gosh, Shawn, look at it! Isn't it awesome? Wow! Say something, bud. So right now, your truck is in the bathtub, huh? Is that taking a bath?
Can I set it upside down?
I don't think you can do it, bud. You know why? That's because the batteries are located right on the top of the truck. You know what I mean? And if you do that, then it will be ruining the system inside of the truck. Isn't that cool?
Can I go in the tub?
You want to win a tub? Oh, I think that's a good idea, bud. Please. Wow, look at this. Awesome. We could actually put this in the oh my gosh. So make sure don't wet the remote control. Oh, backward, forward. Good job. Wow. I'm wondering if we could bring this, take it to the ocean. You know what I mean? I'm just wondering.